If you've never traded crypto before, this is probably the easiest way to get started. Plus, you can claim a free $20 if you use my code DIL. First things first, go to my Instagram profile, which is at CryptoDillNews. Click on the story highlights, which it says Kalshi. You'll actually get a free $20 if you use code DIL when downloading Kalshi on the App Store. Once you make your qualifying deposit, which is just about $20, you'll actually get matched with a free $20 bonus to be able to trade with on Kalshi. One thing I love about Kalshi is that you're not limited to just crypto. You can also trade markets on sports, politics, elections, the economy, technology, climate. Yes, you can literally trade the climate, commodities, finance, world events, and of course, crypto. Today, we're looking at crypto perpetuals. A perpetual is simply a position that does not have an expiration date. Unlike many traditional markets, you're not forced to close the trade on a specific day. You can hold your trade for as long as you want, as long as your account supports your position. So let's just say I think that Bitcoin is going to go higher. I would simply just click up. If I believed Bitcoin was going to go lower, I would click down. It's really that simple on Kalshi. This is also where leverage comes into the picture. Think of leverage as a multiplier. If you invest $10 with a 5x leverage, that is actually $50 in trading power. Or if you invest $1,000 on a 6x leverage multiplier, your position now is $6,000. So you can actually trade with more capital without having to put up that capital. Your gains and your losses are amplified. Higher leverage means more potential reward, but also significantly higher risk. And the lower the leverage is the lower the reward, but a much lower risk. So just think of leverage as a multiplier on your return. Personally, I prefer lower leverage, but more capital. Why is that? Because it gives your trade more room to breathe. Lower leverage generally reduces your liquidation price compared to a higher leverage. Remember, the goal is not to get rich overnight. The goal is to remain in the game. But once everything looks good, you simply just hit buy. And just like that, your Bitcoin position is live. Once you're in the trade, you can actually monitor your profit and losses, which is your P&L, in live time. You can also add something called a TP and an SL. A TP is your take profit price and an SL is your stop loss price. You can essentially tell Kalshi when you want to exit the trade. So just say if you're not monitoring the markets and the price of Bitcoin goes to your target, it'll automatically close the position for you. Or let's say hypothetically Bitcoin were to take a turn for the worst, you're not monitoring the markets, but don't worry because you have your stop loss price in place and Kalshi will actually close the trade for you. This makes managing risk incredibly easy. Notice that as leverage changes, your liquidation price changes as well. Higher leverage brings liquidation prices closer, and lower leverage gives your trade more room before breaching that point. And when you're ready to exit, simply press close position and your profit or loss is realized instantly. That's literally the entire process. Kalshi makes it super easy and super beginner friendly. If you've been looking for one of the easiest ways to start trading crypto perpetuals, then I definitely recommend to go check out Kalshi. Again, go to my Instagram profile at CryptoDillNews, click on the story highlights. You'll actually get a free $20 if you use my code DYL, which is DIL. Simply just go to the App Store, download Kalshi, and guys, I'd really appreciate it if you guys do use my code and you'll get yourself a free $20, which is pretty nice. I'll also leave the link in the description of this YouTube video. And I just wanted to throw in this little disclaimer here at the end of the video. This is not financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. I hope this video helped you guys out. Like I said, if you guys can also drop a like and subscribe to the channel, I would greatly appreciate that. And I'll see you guys in the next video.